Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 Pad. We'll start by identifying common issues like frustrating stick drift, unresponsive buttons, or charging problems that plague many users. Before diving in, gather your essential tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a delicate prying tool, and any necessary replacement parts. Always ensure your workspace is clean and brightly lit to prevent losing those tiny, crucial components. Let's get started. Now, let's carefully disassemble your controller. Begin by removing the two small screws located on the back. Next, use your plastic prying tool to gently separate the front and back shells, starting from the bottom edge. Be patient and work slowly to avoid damage. Once open, carefully disconnect the delicate ribbon cables and the battery connector, noting their original orientation. This step grants us access to the internal components for repair. With the controller open, we can address specific problems. For frustrating stick drift, clean the analog stick modules thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol, or replace them entirely if cleaning doesn't work. If buttons are unresponsive, check for any debris under the button pads and meticulously clean the contact points. For charging issues, inspect the USB-C port for damage and ensure the battery connector is firmly secured. Replace any faulty components with new ones, ensuring perfect alignment. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reconnect all the ribbon cables and the battery, ensuring each is properly seated and secure. Gently align the front and back shells, snapping them back into place with a satisfying click. Secure the two small screws on the back of the controller. Once fully reassembled, thoroughly test all buttons, analog sticks, and charging functionality to confirm your repair was a complete success. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.